Good afternoon, students. Last class we all studied commerce, company management. Indian Company Act 1956 reforms 2013. The company management. A success of any companies depends on the efficient functioning of directors. They can be called as ears, eyes, brain, hand, nerves, and other essential part of the company. The minimum and maximum number of in company. Maximum appointed the company board of directors 15 members. Next one, power of directors, rights and duties, types of companies, qualification directors and disqualification of directors is last class studied. Now we are discuss about today company secretary. Company secretary role is very important role. One board of director, one of the person is company secretary also, plus full and full one board of directors knowledge, say to Z, everything note it out, means same secretary also same functioning. Indian Company Secretary Act 1975. First introduction. A company secretary. A company secretary is an artificial being. Through a company is a legal entity. Legal entity. Company secretary, a person is legal entity. It has no physical personality, such as neither a mind or nor body of its own. Through not a visible company having an image or appearance of exist, only with it is a rules and bylaws. Any company cannot act by itself. It need one or group of the people to operate it. Besides of operating the company, there are number of functioning, holding responsibility and needed to take care of the directing the workforce towards of productivity, managing the smooth functioning and supervising the overall performance of the company. The company secretary is important roles. Listen students, everybody you note it down, is full responsibility person. Company secretary is a full responsibility person. The workforce of productivity, managing, smooth functioning, supervising, overall performance of the company. The person who is responsible for general performance of organization is called a company secretary. You underline students, listen everybody, easy. Company secretary means productivity, managing, smooth functioning, supervising overall performance of the company. The person who is responsible of the general performance of organization is called company secretary. The key of managerial personnel who run a company is called with a different titles wise director, manager or secretary. The company is a managerial three important roles: director, manager or secretary. The word of secretary as originated in Latin. The Latin word secretius, which means a secret. The secretius which means secret. As we know, the secret refers to the something which is not disclosed and kept as a confidential. Some information should be very confidential for all the companies. Company secretary, director, managers is kept very confidential performance in all company details. Hence a person is appointed to performance activity which are a confidential is nature and manage the day-to-day business of the company. The person who strict the company holding the administrative, financial and overall performance of the company is called company secretary. The company secretary holding a full administrative and financial and overall performance, full involving and full controlling power. Who is the company secretary? The company secretary is a important role of company. Some definition according to the section 224 of Company Act 2013. This definition is 2013, but Indian Company Act 1956. 2013 is a Reforms Act. Company secretary or secretary means any individual possessing means have it or own it. Own it means own company or own, have it or own it, possessing. Performance the duties which may be performed by secretary under this act and any other ministerial or administrative duty. Next one, according to the explanation from Oxford Dictionary, as a secretary is a person who is employed to conduct a correspondence on the behalf of the individual or company and also the execute filing and documentations of administrative function. Full company secretary is individual person or a company also execute feelings on documentation and full administrative functioning. That person is company secretary. Some important company secretary is some important qualification. Next one, qualification of company secretary. Since the amendment means some rules and regulation. Amendment of some rules and regulation of the Companies Act in 1944 only. A person having a prescribed qualification can be appointed as secretary of company. This company secretary is compulsory postgraduate degree holder or any business management degree, some management of commerce degree or postgraduate degree is compulsory. Many colleges in company secretaryship, that course is important, that is degree company secretaryship, but this degree is few person only selected. This is very important. One education qualification is company secretary is a good degree, but few students only select study this degree. But okay, next one, the company secretary is some important qualification, can be appointed the secretary of a company. Apart from the statutory qualification, he would also have other qualification or maybe necessary to conduct the affair of the company. The qualification of secretary, statutory qualification and other qualification. First one is statutory qualification. According to Section 245 of the Company Act 2013, Company Secretary must possess of the qualification prescribed by the central government. From time to time, the qualifications prescribed by the company's secretaries qualification rules 1975 for the secretary of a company. So important of 1975 company secretary compulsory one important qualification of a company secretary. Next one, some important roles of company's qualification of company secretary. In the case of company having a paid up share capital 5 crore or more, then company secretary must be a member of the institute Company Secretary of India Incorporated and the Company Act 1956 license under section 25 of that act. Minimum 5 crore. Paid up capital means totally subscribed, total value of company 5 below or more, below 5 crore, above 5 crore means, below 5 crore means no need, above 5 crore means compulsory created one posting in company secretary. Company secretary is all full and full company activity is everything full and full company activities in A to Z, everything is full and full up to date is following. Next one, a person is member of the Institute of Chartered Secretaries or London shall also be eligible for appointment as a secretary of such companies. Next one, in the case of any other companies, one or more than following qualification shall have to be possessed by the secretary. Many secretary is a qualification is many qualified person, many some person is double or triple degree persons only in many companies in company secretary posting. The qualifications specified in clauses of above, the degree in law generated by the any university, membership of Institute of Chartered Account of India, membership of the Institute of the Cost and Working Accounting of India, postgraduate degree or diploma in management or commerce guaranteed by university or Indian Institute of Management. Next one, a diploma in a company law generated by Indian Law Institute. This is a compulsory company secretary is qualification is very must only. The qualified plus advanced knowledge person only to manage a company and controlling the organization. Okay, listen students, this lesson company secretary very important lesson. You know, few one line or few words, do not write story. This is a theory lesson. Each and every line is reality only. This is important role of company secretary. Company secretary is a board of directors, managers and company secretary. The three person is important role of the company or organization. Okay students, this is lesson very easy only. You clearly, you one or two times you clearly read some important points students. This lesson very easy. Okay. Next one, other qualification. Statutory qualification are not enough to become a company secretary. The secretary must be a smart, unbiased, and must have a high IQ. Company secretary is a knowledge, is advanced knowledge, more high IQ person only to manage the company secretary posting. Advanced knowledge. 1 plus 1 equal to 2 means general. 2 into 2 4. 4 into 2 8. That is IQ. The more IQ, more advanced knowledge person, the business activity, more business activity, that more business knowledge is, that person only manage the company secretary, eligible of company secretary posting. Is having a responsible of proficiency in speaking and writing in different regional languages is an added a qualification of the secretary. Listen students, you underline some companies, some secretary posting is salary is 1 lakh 2 lakh rupees per month paid. Pay a salary 1 or 2 1 lakh or 2 lakhs 3 lakhs, that posting. Listen, having a reasonable proficiency in speaking, writing different regional language, add a qualification of secretary. Besides of the company secretary, should have thorough a knowledge of company law. This is a very, very important point. Underline. Listen students, every students, you watch this video, you have booked some important points, you underline. This is important point, everybody you underline. The company secretary, thorough the knowledge of a company law. That is mercantile law. Mercantile law means merchandile means that is business. Mercantile law means business. Sales, purchase, economic law, labor law, accounting and office management. This is a knowledge of company law. Very, very, that is a company secretary is a more IQ person only eligible for company secretary posting. The company secretary posting is organization of company is very, very important role. That person is full and full eligible and reasonable and speaking and writing and regional language, and added a qualification of secretary. The secretary should have thorough a company what? Company law. Company means many department, each and every department separate law. Labor law, some production license, that is some different laws. The company secretary is the more knowledgeable person of you thorough the company law, mercantile law, economic law, labor law, accounting and office management is very, very important only. Listen students, you 1 or 2 times you watch this video, you clearly you watch, you underline important points. Okay, listen students, every day one unit, off of portions or off of topic lesson. You thorough means very, very easy only. Listen students, every day you read 1 or 2 times you write. Writing practice is very very important. School normal time means you every day small topics, small more time you writing only, but this time you improve your handwriting. Some writing practice is very very important only. Two question you thorough means after you write test. Every day compulsory 4 subject at least 45 minutes means for every day you compulsory you read. Evening time 4 subject. Okay students, next class functions and duties of company secretary. Okay students, next class we will discuss next one new topic. Okay, thank you students. Do not waste your time. Every day you read. Thank you students.